Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Sandy. So today's video is going to be how to mount your mannequin hairstand or how to set up your mannequin hairstand. I received this mannequin hairstand today, and when I first got it, it was really hard for me to mount it, but finally I figured it out. So I thought I should share with you guys because maybe somebody might be struggling somewhere. So yeah, without talking plenty, let me jump right into the video. But before you get into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel because you want to be related to me. If you just subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. If you didn't subscribe to my channel as well, thank you very much. I appreciate you as well. So let's jump right into the video.
You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my
That's it guys. The procedure is very simple and easy to do, but sometimes it can be really frustrating and confusing as well. You can tilt it to the back, to the front, to the side. You can rotate it if you want to. Just do whatever you want to do with it. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because you want to be related to me. Comment below, let me know what you think. Hit the notification bell so that I get notified whenever I post any video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can't fuck with your man them. Talk too much, me no like them. See me with my people, you for stand firm. Know a couple people back, you can't stand.